Hey everybody, it's Brian. Hey, I'm back at the park today with my Pavo20 Pro II, newly rejuvenated from the repair shop in my kitchen. And I'm gonna go fly around the track a little bit and then fly over some of this new construction and see what's going on. It was quite costly to repair the Pavo20 Pro II. I had to replace two engines, two motors. I replaced all four props because one prop exploded, one was bent, and the other two had nicks in them, so I just replaced all four props. I had to replace the canopy for the DJI 04 Pro system because the plastic was cracked on one side of it. What else? I used some coating, some spray paint coating to coat like a couple of little nick spots on the antennas where the insulation was just barely nicked. What else? Oh, the actual frame, the actual platform, it was just twisted up on one motor mount and causing the motor to spin off center. So I actually had to replace the entire platform, the center, like the carbon fiber platform here in the center. So all in all, darn near everything's brand new on this. And yeah, I just took it out for like 2 seconds last night to see if I could hover it, and it worked okay. So we're gonna fly it around for a few minutes here, and then we'll go over the fence and check out the construction and see what's going on. All right, thanks for coming along with me. You ready? Let's go fly. All right, everything's on, motors are spinning, let's take off. There's a big old construction yard there. Building's torn apart, looks like. The whole school's ripped apart. They're working on it. Wow, the whole roof is ripped up. Wow. Wow, the whole buildings are ripped up out here. The whole school's ripped up under construction. School's due for renovation. It's old. We've got a big old staging area out here in the back. Trees over here. Oh, usually the whole field's open all summertime, but they said it's closed this year. Let's go around the track once. Out here. Everybody does think it's closed. whole thing is pulled apart. It's crazy.
Just a little comprehension. Cut to me high stepping instead. Time is a game you play when you got it. You shoot your shot so you can say that you shot it.
I'm gonna go up. Let's go up.
How's it gonna go? You think you'll never be forgotten. What about me? What
I'm gonna do some snap rolls. I need to learn to do some new tricks, guys. My only tricks so far are pretty basic. Got like a weird split S, it's not quite right. I've got backflips. Woo.
I can tell you when.
All right, let's bring battery voltage is down to 10.8 already, so I don't have like a lot of. It's going to tell me low bat land now when I punch. So let me bring it back and land it, and then some birds are chasing me. We'll bring it back and land it, and then I'll take it back out and we'll try to do some snap rolls and stuff. Well, not very good, but it's something. Do this tumbles real easy. Snaps. Yeah, I'll get better on them. That was. And it's hot out here. It's like 90 degrees outside.
Last hands up for tonight again. Even in another lifetime, find me then. And let's do.
I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just cruising. I'm just cruising. I like to think of myself as I'm gonna do some great acrobatics, but it's the honest truth is I'm just having fun cruising, I think. All right, and my battery's getting low already. It's down to 10.5. Because I've been ripping it a little bit more on this battery, so. All right, well, everything's working great. The Pavo's working great. Let's go back and land. I'm gonna land on the grass this time. No, I'm not.
DJ and I love this song.